I've noticed that a lot of people decided to go ahead and start off on YouTube, but I've also noticed that not many people have great thumbnails, as we can go ahead and say. So what I've decided to go in and help out every single creator, I created my own little template pack for Photoshop, so you'll be able to go ahead and maneuver and create your own unique thumbnails. All you need to do is just download the PSD file under the link in the description below and you're ready to go. As I maneuver here on Photoshop, there's many different fonts, templates, flares, anything that you can go ahead and think of in this little mini thumbnail template pack to go ahead and help you out and get started making those badass thumbnails. Now, thank you so much for watching today's video. I highly appreciate that you decided to go ahead and watch this and download my very own pack. And if everyone seems to go ahead and like this mini thumbnail pack, I'll go ahead and create a new one. But anywho, thank you so much for watching in today's video, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on the next one. Alright, see you later guys.